The story is everywhere. Why your wife left you due to several miscarriage and the barrenness. And everything guys pointing at you that you are the cause. Because of whatever cause they say that is following you up and down.
You know, at this point, anyone can say whatever they want to say. I brought it upon myself, believe me. Yes. But then, thank you so much for coming around. Truly, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Darling, I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you.
If I may ask, what is this course all about? This course that everybody has been talking about. What is it all about?
Honestly, I wouldn't want to discuss this. Okay, I wouldn't want to discuss about it. Rather, I would want to talk about the solution. Because discussing about this will, open up old wounds and escalate the whole issue. So,
so far, have you been able to make a step as regards to the solution?
Yeah, well, when I was living with Linda, those periods she was having miscarriages, I went to many prayer houses. So one told me that I was cursed by a girl who I impregnated and denied. That I have to go search for the girl, apologize and all of that. My brother, I went into ultimate search. Had to go to her village, of her uncles. It was really helpful. At the point, he told me the girl is dead.
Oh! It's a pity.
I went back to the church, to tell them what what they told me. Nah, the lady said nothing can be done. She said I have been cursed traditionally. I mean, maybe through tradition or something, I could get my, break my liberation. So the whole thing is confusing me. I mean, church,
No, Mike. There is nothing to be confused here. Obviously, this girl caused you through traditional means. And you need to follow it duly, traditionally, in order to get this whole thing averted. You have to go to church one side. You need to keep church aside and follow this thing squarely through traditional means. Look for a native doctor. A dibia karaka my own name. Let them help you out in this situation.
I'm a Christian. A native doctor. Libya.
Mike, this has nothing to do with you being a Christian, a born again, or whatsoever thing. We are looking for a solution to this problem. You need to go to a great native doctor. Dibia. Malifoneme.
Well, my guy, at this point, I will do whatever to salvage this situation. I have been living in her.
Ọtụrụkpọkpọ nwoke, ọtụrụkpọkpọ nwaanyị, ọtụrụkpọkpọ nwata, ọtụrụkpọkpọ nne, ọtụrụkpọkpọ nna, ọtụrụkpọkpọ ụba, ọtụrụkpọkpọ akụ, ọtụrụkpọkpọ ego. The spirit of the dead is greatly aggrieved. Nothing can make you have your own child until you appease the spirit of the dead.
Wise one, that is why I'm here. Please, What can be done?
A great ritual cleansing must be performed on your head. Before then, you must seek for forgiveness of the people that own the girl. Then, so that they will show you her grave for you to go and perform the ritual cleansing. After that, you will perform all the marriage rites of the dead. Then and only then shall all the cleansing be done, and you shall be free.
You are reaping what you sow. You are paying for the hurt you broke. I'm throwing. You are facing the darkness you design. You are facing obstacle you create by yourself. Now the shadow is reminding of the love you left abandoned. It gonna remove a man before the crowd with your love.
Who is home? Oh, no, Biko. Please, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
This boy. You again? You again?
Please, sir, just
in my house!
Sir, please,
you again?
you listen to me. Can you hear me out? It's very important. Please, sir. Can I talk to you as a man? Please listen to me as a man.
God has saved you. They would have come here to carry a corpse. Nonsense. Try me again. Try this compound again. I'm not fear. Eh? Ewu. How did you pag in I want you to have a
You are reaping what you sow. You are reaping what you sow. You are paying for the hurt you broke. I'm throwing. You are facing the darkness you design.
Jonah, honestly, I'm tired. I'm tired of this life. I just wish I can close my eyes and die. Let me die and rest. Let me die and rest.
Mike, no, don't go there. Mike, there is still hope now. Since the Dibia said the spirit of death can be appeased. The only problem we are having here is how to reach out to the family, explain to them what the Dibia said. Maybe you can still send someone to talk to them on your behalf, so they can allow you to do what you want to do.
I doubt if that man will want to listen to anybody. The man I met, that man would prefer I die with the cause. I'm telling you, I'm finished. At this point, I think I deserve to die.
Mike, don't say that again. There is still hope. You cannot remain like this. You can't lose hope all of a sudden now that the solution to your problem is now lying in your hands. You now have a way to solve this whole problem. And you have to complain on. No, don't have to say that again. Please.
Mazio Pompo, please. Pico, you're the only one who can help me now. I'm living a miserable life. Please. I want to live better. I know I messed up. I know I have sinned against humanity. Oh, please. Just help me out. Now I know better. Now I know better. I'm a new being. Please. Pico Mazio Kumpo, please, I'm begging you. I'm on my knees. Please. Please get up. Get up. Please get up.
Mike, like as I told you before, if not for the sake of your wife, who experienced miscarriages for more than 6 times, I won't listen to you. If not for her own sake, I will not help you. Because you are evil and you deserve to die. You actually killed our daughter! Eh, Mike?
I know. Please, Mahaloziano, please forgive. Forgive. Please. Please. Honestly, I now know better. Please.
Don't for your wife. Okay, Mike. Go home. You'll hear from us very soon. Go.
God bless you. Chukwu Gozeki. Thank you so much.
Okonkwo, any day I set my eyes on that bastard, if he returns home with his 2 legs, then my name is not Ihukwomere. Ihukwomere, calm down. Please calm down first. Calm down. I have no reason to calm down. That bastard denied severally. He gathered up his friends and they lied against Nwaneka, even when he was pinpointing that particular boy, that he was the person responsible for it. He denied it. Now he's here for forgiveness. What forgiveness are you talking about, Okonkwo? Forgive for what? Let me tell you this. I swear by the gods of this land, if I see that boy near this compound again, I will shoot him to death and damn the consequences. Nothing will happen. Two wrongs can never make a right. You are an elder, and elders are known for their moderation. I'm still pleading to you. Do not express this your anger. Do not over-express it. Else you will ruin the whole thing altogether. The rule has already been done. One nigga died because of his carelessness. What rule are we talking about again? Okonkwo. My brother. Let's give this young man a chance to live again. That boy does not deserve to live. Not after killing my niece. In fact, Okonkwo, this meeting is over. Get water ready for me. I want to take it.
What was he saying?
I don't want to know.
So that stupid boy went to meet him.
That is not my business. Go and do what I asked you to do.
He should warn that boy. He should warn that boy never to step his feet in this compound. Warn him, go and warn that boy. Tell him to warn that boy.
Agodi, Okonkwo, was it not here that that fool told us that he was only kissing Aruaseha? That it was his colleague that were the ones sleeping with her? Aroya.
And that stupid colleague of his also attested to it right in front of us.
Oh. And now that she is dead, he is trying to come and perform her marriage and cleansing rites. Who is fooling who?
What does he take us for?
Oh. Amunchu. I am pleading to both of you. Please tamper justice with mercy. Please.
You will not go scot-free.
That young man insulted us. He deserves no mercy.
At all.
He should face the consequences of his action.
Yes, tradition stands.
Yes.
Tradition is tradition.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Mike, I tried all I could, but no one could give in to my plea.
Hey. Nah, please, Biko, you people cannot do this to me now. Now you can do something can be done. You can do something on my behalf. Please persuade them. Nah, Yoba, please, I'm begging you. Please. Please. I am finished. Nah, you look at me. I am a dead man walking. Please. There must be a way out. Please, Nani. I need a new leaf. Please, Biko Nani. Biko, I'm begging. Please, something must be done. But once there is life, there is hope. You can actually do something on my behalf. Just beg them, Biko. Should I die for this? Please, Nani, I'm begging you. Biko,
Mike.
Please.
Actually, I want to help, but my hands are tied. There's nothing I can do.
I beg you. I am a broken man. Nothing is remaining. My life is in your hands. Please help me out. Biko, I'm shattered. I'm losing it all. Please. Biko, Nani, I'm begging.
Honestly, my life is in my hands, but it is in the hands of your chief.
I know.
Please.
I know. But truth works through human beings. God works through people. Please, Sabi an unction for my salvation to come. Please. People.
My child, at this junction, I will advise you to go to your chi or the God you serve. I don't care the type of God. Go and appeal to him so that he can intervene in this subject matter. Otherwise, there's nothing anyone can do about this matter. Please.
I serve the living God.
Yes.
And what are you also never?
God.
I serve the Almighty God. Please, I have begged for forgiveness. I have cried unto the Lord. I'm now crying to you as much as you come for Biko. Be my eyes, be my hand. Please, just help me out. I'm begging. Biko no. Biko na please. Hey.
There's nothing else you can do. Please. My hands are tired. I can't do
Jesus.
And I can't lie to you.
Jesus.
I can't lie.
Jesus.
At this age and level,
Mazi,
I cannot lie.
Biko.
I wanted to help.
Wise one, since they have refused to accept my apology, is there no other means we can use? Maybe do it our own way.
What is our own way?
Wise one, I'm fetching use small juju and convince them to accept my apology. Maybe when I'm done with the process, after the cleansing and all, when I must have gone home, the juju will just, leave them.
It doesn't work that way. They must accept you willingly, so that the spirit of the dead might also accept you. If you use charm on them, will you use charm on the dead?
Wise one, what's the way forward? What should I do?
Persistence. You must be patient, because that is the only way of your survival. You must make them know that you have no other choice than to be visiting them and pleading with them until they accept you.
I'm begging. If you continue to say no to that young man, that means you are partaking in sin. You see, he has genuinely repented of his sin and want to do the needful. That is to come and pay the bride price of our late daughter and apologize. I am of the opinion that we should allow him, please, to do this. For him, he's still alive. For our daughter, she's dead and long buried. But like as I say, he's still alive, whether we accept him or not. He is still alive. So I'm still pleading, let all of us have a retake over this matter.
Accept him.
Please.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes, I'm pleading.
Okay.
If not, I'm the most eldest among you people. I will need an abed.
No problem.
Otokpokpo na-eke, otokpokpo n'uyo, otokpokpo na otokpokpo na nkwụ, otokpokpo nwoke, otokpokpo nwanyị, otokpokpo nwa, otokpokpo di, otokpokpo nwunye. To err is human, to forgive is divine. If there is no sin, there will be no forgiveness. He who asks for forgiveness has accepted his wrong. Therefore, he should be listened to. Otokpokpo nwoke, otokpokpo nwanyị, otokpokpo nwunye, otokpokpo nne, otokpokpo nna, otokpokpo ego, otokpokpo ụba, otokpokpo nwunye. Nwanne ka. Let everything that bites in the night be taken to be mosquito. Let your anger subside. He has come to do the needful. Please, if the blood of this fowl touches the cover of your grave, let it be for the cleansing of the sin of this young man. Otokpokpo nwoke, otokpokpo nwanyị, otokpokpo nwunye, otokpokpo nwa, otokpokpo ụba, otokpokpo ego.
Ndị be anyị ekene m unu.
Daalụ.
Maazị Ihukwu, I greet you specially. Elders, I greet you. These are the items I was asked to provide. And this is the money for the bride price, for one Neka's bride price. Bikoni, please accept me as your in-law. Be one Neka. Huh? Please.
You have done well, our in-law. We will drink the wine you brought us, even though you brought it at the odd time. God knows the best. I will officially present one Nneka to you as your wife. Today shall be a memorable day. You took one Nneka as your wife.
I'm a free man, Jonah. Jonah, I can't believe I'm now a free man! Hey!
I told you. I told you.
Okay, go correct. Listen, I can't believe there is power in our tradition, I swear.
Lele, just look at what you're saying.
Just imagine.
Because you crowded your head with church and
Hey! I now know better, my brother. Now I know better.
Tradition from church. Tradition has been there before the emergence of church. So, what are you not telling me?
Thank you so much, Jonah, for being there for me. If not for you, what would I have done? Even when I wanted to give up. You were there encouraging me, and look at today. You know, victory together. We achieved success. Thank you so much, my brother. I appreciate it. Believe me.
Mike, what are friends for? You've done this already. What is left for you to do now? Just to go and get your wife back.
I will. Hey, I will. Listen, you see something. This life, little thing, they spoil some things. I love Linda so much, and I know she loves me. Just the cause, and now I'm free. What else? Let's fire on. My man. It's good to have a good friend. I'm telling you, someone who cares about you. Not just all about caring across my heart.
At least knowing the nitty-gritty of things.
Hey, man, what's up, bro? Come on, let them bring more meat now. Call the guy, man. Hey!
I'm telling you.
kind of nonsense, bad energy. I think I don't need any bad energy now. Don't you understand when somebody's busy?
Linda, I've been calling. You. You're not taking my calls. Hang on.
When will I take your calls? It's over between us, Mike.
Baby, don't say that, okay? I have good news for you. Baby, listen. The course has been causing problems for us. But right now, as I speak to you, I am a free man. It has been broken.
Story.
Listen, no stories. Okay? I found a way to just liaise with her family members. Yes, we sat together, did some rituals, appeased her spirit. And right now I'm free. Okay? Everything is fine now. Baby, listen.
Mike, listen to me. All this explanation, it's too late for that.
Listen, baby, it's not too late.
It's too late. I have moved on.
Baby, you can move on. Listen, I love you so much and I know you love me too. Just this last time. If it happens again, just go. I will never disturb you again. Please, I beg.
Listen, Mike, it's too late, okay? And that is because I am getting married next month. Alright? Besides, even if your course is being broken, who would settle down for a man like you? A heartless beast like you? Thinking of what you did to that innocent girl is so alarming. Like, goodness, how did I even end up with a man with such a stone heart? Look, I am getting married next month. Okay, and that is it. So just go back to your life. Go fix your life, whatever. Who is this guy now? Open the gate. Please excuse shit.
I'm reaping what you sow. You are reaping what you sow. You are paying for the hurt you broke. I'm throw away. You are facing the darkness you design. You are facing obstacle you create by yourself. Now the shadow is reminding of the love you left abandoned. It gonna remove a man before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna ribbon and bamboo for. We're gonna ribbon. You thought you're free with secrets untold. The truth must be revealed. You stood before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna ribbon and bamboo for. We're gonna ribbon. You thought you're free with secrets untold. The truth must be revealed. You stood before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna ribbon and bamboo for. You thought you're free with secrets untold. The truth must be revealed. You stood before the crowd with a heart full of stone. We're gonna ribbon and bamboo for. You thought you're free with secrets untold. The truth must be revealed.
What have I brought upon myself?
You are walking
How do I get myself out from this? God help me. God, please help me. Help me, God.
Mike. Listen, Mike. Don't mind her. Okay? Don't mind her.
The lawyer sent me divorce documents to sign. Just imagine.
Who? For real?
I'm telling you.
Wait, is it the same Linda that I know you are talking about, or another Linda?
You don't know women. They can do undo.
How? I mean, how could Linda be this mean?
Honestly, I feel so downcast.
Listen, Mike, you're going to sign that document. See that divorce document, you will sign it and let her go. By the time your wife comes, you will know. The one that will give you peace of mind. Other than this, Linda is not your wife. Just sign that document and let her go, please.
So what is the surprise you said you have for me? Nothing.
Close your eyes. Yes.
Okay, eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Eyes closed.
Hey, your eyes are not closed.
No. They are closed.
Eyes strictly closed.
Okay.
close your eyes. Don't open them.
Okay.
Okay. Open.
Okay, eyes open. Yes.
So to the woman of my dreams, to that special woman in my life, the bone of my bone. That woman I can breathe without. That woman that completes me. To you, I plead this moment, please. Be my wife.
But it's barely a month we met. Are you talking about marriage already?
It doesn't take forever for one to know who is meant for me.
Yes.
It's just that bit that completes me. I love you with every fiber of my being. And I know we're meant to be together. Please, be my wife.
I'll marry you. I'll marry you.
Hey, Nemo.
Mama.
Hey, Ola can come, Makakwa. Hey, you can all the cocoa gold.
Mama, Oyama. Mixed with diamond.
Ogre di henka.
Mama.
Hey, very beautiful.
I'm very happy. Obio Makbabolem. Mama, what we have been praying and asking God for, God has answered our prayers.
Yes, so
he's very rich, very handsome,
you know what?
very intelligent.
Hey, Onyesi Kambuzi Kwae. Inanukwa. Mama Inanukwa. Zawala ni mana. Zawala. Hey, hey. Mama. Hey. Nana. Hey. Imena. Hey. Thank you, God. Hey, Mama. Hey, Imela.
Mama.
Hey, Manache. Hey, Chirikwa. Where is he from?
Mama, he's from Umaka, Imo State.
Umaka.
Umaka. Yeah.
Do you remember that my friend, Mama Johnson? Mama Johnson is from Umaka. Now, I will have to meet Mama Johnson. Mama Johnson will help us to make inquiries about the man's family.
Oh, the man.
Oh, they are very important.
Mama, yes.
I'm excited about this. I told her she'll get married this year, and now it has happened.
My sister, I am excited too. But my excitement will be complete when I make my own inquiries about the man's family on finding out if they have bad reputation. Even not in marriage. It's very, very important.
You have a point.
Yes.
Inquiring about the family is paramount. I mean, she should have done that before accepting to marry the man.
My sister, ask me, oh. You know, children of these days, they are in a haste to do things their own way. That is why I've come to you. The man in question himself is from Umaka village.
Umaka village is my hometown.
That's why I came to you. Yes. So you help me. Because and help me.
And which family is he from?
Ihanacho family. And the man's name is Mike.
Ihanacho. Okay, don't worry, my sister. I'll get back to you on this. In fact, I don't have anything to do in the village. But because of this, I'm going to travel to the village for you. I'll find out.
Thank you, my sister.
And I'll get back to you.
You see these children? They will not kill you.
They will not.
They will not kill us.
Relax.
This man just came. See, you want to marry my daughter, Tata Lechi.
That's how they used to do my sister.
Jane! 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 Jane, is that not you? Jane! Jane, I'm talking to you now. Jane! Jane!
My dear,
Hey.
my dear. God has showed me mercy.
I can see that. You're looking so good.
Thank you.
But that's why you came back so early. What happened? You said you'll not be back till the end of the year.
I have a good news.
Good news, kwa.
Good news.
It's a lie.
Oh my God! I said yes. I said yes again and again and again.
Congratulations.
I'm happy you're happy for me. Don't worry, yours will come to you.
Amen.
Okay?
Come to you.
Jane, I understand what you're saying. But I think everything is happening too fast. You need to know each other more.
Ada, I have known Ebuka and dated him for 7 years. It hasn't gone beyond friendship. I mean, if a man is serious to settle down, I wouldn't want to waste more time to accept it, right?
I understand what you're saying. But it's marriage we're talking about here. It's marriage we're talking about here. You need to get married to a person you know than getting married to a stranger.
Ada, I already know him and his family. He told me everything I needed to know.
But 1 month is too early for you to know everything about him.
Ada, why are you sounding as if you're not happy with me?
Why will you say such a thing? Of course you know I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I just don't want anything that will jeopardize your happiness in the future.
Come on, you need to be positive in life, anything you're doing. As for me, nothing will happen to me. I'll be fine.
Okay, if you say so, I wish you all the best.
Stop. Jane, please stop. Jane.
Okay.
Jane, why are you doing?
What?
Stop now.
What?
Stop.
What?
Eh?
Ha!
What is it? Why doing this? Jane, please stop. What's your problem? Eh? Just last month here before you left, we were good friends. We played together, we laughed, we gist, we even made love.
Really?
Yes.
Ebuka, we have dated for a good 7 years and you have nothing to show off. So you want me to keep dating you till I enter menopause, Akwaya?
Jane, why will you say a thing like that?
Okay.
You're still a young girl with promising future. We can still build our life together and be happy.
Ebuka, since I met you, this is what you have been saying. You have promised me marriage from up to down. Now, you're not doing anything about it. How am I even sure that you're ready to settle down? Because you don't even look like one. Ha!
Jane, I'm ready to settle
You're
down.
not ready.
I'm ready. It's just money that is messing me up. As soon as I have money, even today, I'll come and pay your bride price. Yes, now.
When will that be? I want to know when you're ready. When? Game on.
Jane, I don't know.
Right.
I don't know. Nobody knows tomorrow. Even tomorrow, no know tomorrow. I can make money today. I can make money tomorrow. I can even make money next tomorrow.
That is why I want to walk away and leave you alone. So that when you make money, you will go to those people that are seeing you and you are seeing him, so you will settle down with them.
Jane, please don't do this to me, please. Don't leave me.
Nah, I'm running late, oh. Don't worry, when you make more money,
Jane.
you will go and see those people that oh.
Jane, please don't do this to me, please. Jane. Please, don't leave me, please, Jane, please.
Look what? Mike has scattered this my daughter's brain with love. Eh? God, I hope it ends well, oh. Hey! The love. My daughter. Mama, you have to limit the way you talk to him. Eh? Pico, guide your hearts so that you won't be broken when things go wrong.
I wonder why people are particular about things going wrong. Nothing will happen between me and my husband.
Michigan again a husband. Who is your husband? He's not yet your husband. We are still making inquiries. And I see your husband.
Mama, you're sounding as if you're already expecting a bad news. Nothing will happen between me and my husband, okay? No matter what happens.
So why do you? I will not force you. I will do my things as a mother. But if you choose to do your own things your own way, I will support you. But bear in mind, any consequences, you will face it.
Mama, nothing is happening. Mama, there is nothing like consequences. Mama, there is nothing like that.
I knew something is wrong.
I couldn't believe my ears. I even heard that his former wife is about to get married to another person. What? Okay.
Hey! This is serious, oh!
Okay.
Hey! And he wants to marry my daughter. In less than 1 month.
Rush.
Of meeting her. Hey! See, that man must be wicked.
You know what I'm going to tell you now? You have to play wise. Be wise.
I will try.
Look at me. If you don't want your daughter to be moving from one prayer house to another, looking for the fruit of the womb, stop her now that it's still early. Stop her. Don't say I did not tell you.
Oh, my sister. Thank you very much for this piece of advice.
What are friends for? I'm always here for you.
Hey, let me even try my best and see if I can talk to Jane. Because that one,
she doesn't have any option this time. She must listen to you. Pull her out now that it's still early.
That man. That man is wicked. He's wicked, oh! Hey!
Jane, please marry me. I am ready now. Please, I don't want to lose you to another man.
Oh, Ebuka, I still care about you. I care a lot about you and you know it, right? Don't force yourself into marriage. You're still struggling to feed yourself. Oh, come on, give me a phone.
Jim, you know I'm a hustler. You know, and I'm still hustling. I'll find my way around it, please.
You don't need to force yourself into marriage, okay? What you will do now is to leave this village. Go and build yourself as a man. It will help you. So when you want to settle down, you can comfortably, confidently relax and settle down with whomsoever, okay?
Well,
for your own good.
I'm already losing you. I'm scared of losing you. Jane, I wish you can wait. I wish you can wait for us. Please. Jane, please wait for me, please.
Ebuka, we'll always be friends. Bear it in mind, okay? Look, you would do yourself a favor by leaving this village to go help yourself. So when I see you in future, when you have made it, it will be more better for me that you get married to me, will not suffer in pain. Or ma make sense. You get? Go and make money. You should be more cautious about making money than getting married to me right now.
Jane, please. Please, I don't want to lose you, please.
Jane, please. I am making me again. Ha! Oh, Chilo. Tell you what will be good for you in lifetime, and you're here.
Jane, don't do this to me, please.
Ebuka, gets useful, please. Go and make money. Happy with this marriage. Be cautious of money now. Kpata ego, ga chube ego. Oh?
Poverty. Now you do this one. She's been with me for years. But the man she met was able to win her heart. Just because of money. Only because of money. Well, I wouldn't blame her. She's from a poor home. If she was my sister, yes, I wouldn't let her be with a man like me. Never. Oh God. But what will happen to all these beautiful memories we had together? God. Poverty. You do this one to me.
I miss you.
Honey. Yeah?
There is something I want to talk to you about.
Okay, feel free. I'm listening.
Baby,
Yes.
I want you to leave this village. I want you to go to the city. There are more opportunities in the city. Nothing is happening in this village. The only lucrative business in this village is farming. You can't make anything out of it. You can't even invest with it. From hand to mouth, from hand to mouth. For how long?
I cannot leave this village now. No. I need to be in this village to protect my late father's land. You know that my late father have so many portions of land in this village. I need to stay and protect.
You going to the city will not make you not to protect your late father's properties. You need to go. You need to leave this village. Go and get useful. Oh, that's only what I asked for.
I know that you are so worried about my poor standard of living in this village. Yes, I know. But trust me, very soon everything is going to turn out to good. I'm going to make money. I will start enjoying life.
It's not about very soon. For how long? For how long we've been hearing this? When? When exactly?
Baby, listen. Calm down. Whether we have money or not, as long as we have love, we're going to scale through all the causes of life. Stop now. I'm going to make money. I'm going to make money for us, please.
Here you go again. Here you go again. Love is important. Money is also important.
I know, but money is coming. Trust me.
I just want you to leave this village.
I'm ready to leave. I'm not allowed. Please, I'm sorry. It's time for me to start changing my goals and my aspiration in life. I am even tired. I am so tired of myself like this. I'm even tired. I'm tired of this poverty. I am tired. I don't even like myself like this. To talk more of someone else's daughter to come and like me like this. And if I die of hunger and lack of money, the portions of land I am fighting for, I'm trying to protect, can easily be taken away from me. Hi. But it will cut so deep to meet someone I've ever loved. Hi.
Mama. Mama, are you sure this information is coming from the right source? Mama, are you sure?
Hey! I know you will never believe me. Mom,
I believe you.
You will never believe me. Let me shock you. That your husband, or the impotent. That man you want to marry is impotent.
Mama. Mike came. No, now.
No.
Mike can never be impotent. I wish I can tell you her activities on bed.
My dear, my potency is not determined by how active man is on bed. If you are ready to live your life without bearing children, it's a bad girl. I wish you good luck.
Mama, you started.
What did you get? All the impotent. He had a roll off, ma. Hey, Maro. Okay.
Mama, he's not my husband. What my king?
Good luck.
Yeah. So impo again.
My daughter. I know you love this man. But you just met him few weeks ago. I don't think it's hard for you to discard him.
Mama, the few weeks I have known this man now had been filled with nothing but love. Mama, leaving this man will cost me much peace. Mama, don't you understand?
Stop crying. I'm not against you getting married to me. But if you know that joy will still be there, where he fails to impregnate you, you are free to marry him. You have my blessings.
God forbid, I can't imagine not experiencing pregnancy in my life. Something I've been looking forward to.
Then take your stand and stop shedding tears. My dear, I know some things are too beautiful to lose. But having them might be more harmful than the joy their beauty brings. Think about it. It's okay.
What is it?
I don't think this marriage will work.
Are you kidding me or something?
No, I'm not kidding. I'm not joking.
Jane! What is the problem? What happened?
I went home and told my mother about you. She made an inquiry about your family. And we found out that you've been married before, but your first wife left you. So why didn't you tell me that you were married?
About that, it's no big deal. I was going to tell you.
Really? So when?
I'm sorry, okay? Honestly, I was going to tell you.
That's not even the main reason. That's not the reason.
So, what is the reason?
Because the reason your first wife left you, she placed a curse on you before she died. And I don't want any complications in pregnancy.
Hey, listen.
It's better I leave now or never.
No. Listen, all that is over. Okay, I can explain. Alright?
I don't want any explanation. I don't want your explanation.
Jane.
You would have done this before now. I mean, I'm not interested. I'm not doing this anymore. I'm leaving.
Jane.
Leave me.
Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. Onye lọsakwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị ka nọ. Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. Onye lọsakwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. Ife onye metere ojirisi ya buru. Ka onye metere ojirisi ya buru. Ife onye metere ojirisi ya buru. Maka ka onye metere ojirisi ya buru. Irrevocable cause, irrevocable. This cause is irrevocable. Oburamu kotere buru. Irrevocable cause, irrevocable. This cause is irrevocable. Whoa. Everybody pay attention. I have a message for you. So strong and important. Your actions have consequence. Don't ever forget, karma is real. Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. Onye lọsakwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị ka nọ. Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ. onye losokwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ ife onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ka onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ife onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ka onye metere.
Mr. Mike, the Bible said in 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 17, therefore, brethren, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. All things are passed away, and behold, all things are become new. All you have to do is to declare that Jesus is Lord. I was speaking faith with my wife, yet the cause happened. It has nothing to do with the proclamation of faith. It is in being born again, declaring with your mouth that Jesus is Lord, that He died on the cross of Calvary for you to be saved. And that is accounted unto you because your life will be transformed, it will become anew. You will be a person without a past. Everything will be new. Just declare with your mouth that Jesus is Lord. Let us pray. Our most loving Father, we thank you for the life of your Son. We thank you for the gift of life. We thank you for
onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ onye lọsokwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị ka nọ onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ onye lọsokwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ ife onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ka onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ife onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ka onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ irrevocable cause irrevocable this cause is irrevocable ọbụrụ m kotere bụrụ irrevocable cause irrevocable this cause is irrevocable. Whoa. Everybody pay attention. I have a message for you, so strong and important. Your actions have consequence. Don't ever forget, karma is real. Onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ onye lọsokwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị ka nọ onye chefukwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ onye lọsokwana n'ọkwa n'ụwa ka anyị nọ ife onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ka onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ife onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ ka onye metere ojirisi ya bụrụ